Hey tractor lovers, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I am with my custom built New Holland 9882. So the idea here was to make a tractor just like we had on the real farm, circa 10 years ago, I guess, probably now, roughly. The 9882 was a beast of a tractor, probably the most beloved tractor on our farm, if you will. So I always wanted a really high detailed version. I've made several attempts over the years, which I could probably show you someday. Finally it came down to I am going to 3D print my own and make it the way I want it. So here it is. I'm not going to do a fancy intro or anything on this one. We're just going to talk about the tractor. So I'm going to get rid of my little sunflower chisel plow there, and we'll get this into view. So I went with triples. These are 18-438. They are radials. They are ours. That's basically what we had on the real one as far as height goes, but we had 20.8 on the as far as width goes. So, and I was going to do the 20.8s. Well, it turns out I'm one tire short to do a 20.8. So I'm just going to get some more ordered from Mini Toy Truck and Tractor. That's just all there is to it. So anyway, so there's that. So these rims, and you can see I've got the planetary detail in there and everything. These are CD Models rims. Now they are actually duals, or they're supposed to be duals. And what I did is I combined some together to make triples, and no big deal there. I had to do a little bit of I don't know, mill work, if you will, to my axles, and I had to make some sleeves to fit the hole size, and because I had to step up, because my hole size on the tractor is 3/32, and I had to step up to the hole size on the rim. So anyway, it worked out okay though. So you can see here, tried to paint the steps silver. Same thing here, just to get some detail in there. And then flashers. This flasher is drooping on me a little bit. It's the way it printed, so maybe what I'll do is lop it off and stick a different flasher on there or something. I may actually put a mirror on there, because on the real one we had a mirror there. So, alright, moving around. I had to add some cab lights to the top there. My casting does not have those. That's something I've got to do in the future, is to add those cab lights as flashers. You can see we've got the lights painted here and there. Tried to do the front grille the best I could. I was going to point out something over here. I don't remember what. Oh well. Just kind of keep moving along, I guess. Moving around to the back side. Got the hydraulic outlet there with the individual hookups. And then I did the box for the PTO shaft, but this does not have a PTO equipped. And then, flashers and work lights on the back as well. So this has the Ertl style hitch. Now, I did that because when I was making this, I kind of figure I'll do two versions. I'm going to do one with the Ertl style hitch so that you can hook up your Ertl implements, because I had a lot of people ask me for that. And then I'm going to do another version that will have the style hitch to hook up to my implements. Oops, there you go. Which are like the pin style hitch. Alright. And of course I added cab glass. Now one of the other details, and it's going to be hard to see, I added your shift levers and all that in there, and I don't know if you can see it or not, I actually added the door handles to the door. And then I also added windshield wipers. So I added the door handles to the door just because it was a little extra detail. Like I said, this one's, 90% chance this one stays on my display forever, at least on a shelf. So it had to be that sort of top notch. It had to be that extra level. I'm not saying I won't sell it. Obviously, if I did, I'll just build another one. But I don't want to. This one's mine. So, all right, guys. That'll do it. Just a quick video here today. Just wanted to show you that tractor, and I hope you like it. Let me know what you think below. Any tweaks or changes I need to make, and I'm gonna do this real quick. There is a sneak peek of something else I'm working on. So, alright guys, I will catch you guys later. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Have yourselves a great day.